Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with these zirconium toys right over here on the table. I'm gonna go through them real quick. It's a pretty insane collection, guys. There's a couple of these that are not zirconium. That's Zircutai FB, of course, and this is the Chi in Mokutai. These are the Onewu Studio bulletproof shield. And right over here, next to that, you get to see this pretty cool one. This is the Chenyu battle shield, and it's zirconium and brass. It's a pretty neat one slider, which just rotates as well. The next up, look at this. That's the Maki CP2. It's another slider. It's great. It's a classic Zirc and brass as well. Like the same thing going on over here for this Maki slider. That is the CP3. It's a numbered edition, of course, Zirc and brass as well. This is the polished one. Next up, you get to see the classic icon Lautier Shuffle. That is a gorgeous one, guys. One of my favorite slider. This is the stainless steel and zirconium version. Really cool slider. And of course, as a clicker, inside as well, 42 Cosmos Zirc slider Nebula. Very, very nice and smooth. One of my favorite old school sliders. Teflon covered magnets. Snappy, but also quiet. Love it. Armor Shield by Onewu Studio. That's the Zirc with the, I believe this is copper or brass insert. It's gorgeously milled. I love it. This is also has a little bit of Teflon tape to protect it. So this one can be loud or quiet as well. Apply a little bit more pressure. Onewu Armor Shield. Next up, you get to see the Tong 80C Mahjong slider version 2, because there's a clicker on the inside, on the back side. And of course, is a pretty cool slider as well, with some Teflon tape on the inside to reduce the wear and the noise. Tom EDC, pretty cool one. Look at this, guys. This is the YEDC Big X. That is a gorgeous one because it's a collaboration with 42 Cosmo YEDC. This is a rocker, like a clicker, kind of like the Switch kind of deal. You see, it's beautiful, and it's a slider, and also rotate. So you just slide away, up and down, and you can also rotate it. That's very, very nice. This is actually available on Fablades.com, guys. And Lautier Puffer Crash from the Spy Wars series. Amazing one. This is Ziriken stainless steel. It's a clicker only, so you just click it right like that, and it just kind of mimics the pluriball packaging material. This is not really a fidget toy, but still, it's Zirc Lautier. That's the die for the dice. Like you can play Yahtzee, for example. Just get a couple. You can push out this pin over here. It's just gonna come out, and just you can use it as a pendant. So it's gonna be like a pretty cool thing dangling on your necklace. In the second row, we start to get some pretty grail level things. This is the ACEDC Milkia in Zirc. It's clearly a slider, all right, which rotates. It's gorgeous. And you have the haptic capability right over here. You can open it up and see the mechanism inside. Very limited edition, this one. It's unobtainable at this point, like this fella over here. That's the ACEDC Gamer in zirconium blasted, and you have the PlayStation buttons, and this is the slider, so slides up, down, left, right, and of course rotates. Gorgeous. One of my favorite toys, guys, because you can really go crazy and annoy people seriously. Look at this bad boy, ACEDC. That's the Contra. Limited edition. There's 32 made of these, so good luck getting one of these. You have a slider, very loud. You have a recoiled slider over here, and just a magnetic one on the back. Truly A spectacular one, of course, classic. One Woo Studio, Camera M, full Zirc slider. 99 made of these. It's a slider, a clicker, and another clicker. On the lens, you have 3 slots for this fella. It is gorgeously made. These are just my fingerprints on the polished zirconium finish of this beautiful, one of my favorite ones. And of course, you get to see this other amazing one, that is the AC/EDC 3B Spinner Haptic. So of course, button here spins, yeah, meh. No, not meh, because it clicks away. It's a haptic. It's gorgeous, guys. This is a spinner, which is fantastic. Zirconium, titanium, magnetic. Look at that. Amazing. Of course, one of the grails right over here, you get to see the Lauti Mini Dealer. That's the Zirc one. And again, good luck getting one of these. Very, very rare. You can also check out the reviews for these guys if you want to know a little more in depth what is going on with these toys, right? That's the Milk Cap Nano from AC/EDC. That's the original 2022 Zirconium Blasted haptic coin. Simple, nice. Like simple and nice, of course, is this Coke bottle cap. Pretty cool. KW80C haptic coin, limited edition as well. I don't know how many were made of these, but it's pretty simple. Just 2 slabs of zirconium together. And right over here, you get to see the Lauti and AC/EDC collaboration. That's the Sam haptic coin with zirconium and blasted finish. This, I believe, it is a limited edition. You get to see the engravings on the inside. There's only 600 of these, right? And that's the number 70, for example. Pretty neat one. And right over here, we get to see the AC/EDC One Bean collaboration Chicken Dinner PUBG Edition winner haptic coin in Zirc Blasted. Of course, limited edition. You have 99 or 69 of these made. No, 99 of these made. You have the central pin right over here, which stays right there to avoid the opening of this one accidentally. And here you have it. Chicken Dinner, pretty rare haptic coin right there. And guys, of course, we get to this point where here you are able to admire and appreciate a Lauti Noise OG in Zirc Blasted. Guys, there's 99 of these made. So yeah, grail status right over there. Classic variant for the Noise OG. You have the Noise E, in this case with yellow trits installed, and you can recognize it from the chamfers on the button. Different sound. Still gorgeous, classic, iconic spinner. Lauti Noise Nano glowing balls, Zirc Blasted, also another 199 limited edition spinner. Very, very hard to get. Indeed, fantastic. This is the Lauti Bit 02 in Zirc and brass, classic spinner, Beat series. I mean, nothing fancy going on. Like same here. I believe this is the Beat 02 or 04. I always mix them up. But anyways, I love this one because the see-through design, very simple, very neat and minimal spinner. Also Zirc Blasted as the majority of these fellas. Next up, you got the Striker robot from Metal Player, and this is another very interesting one. Pretty cool machining, nice milling, pretty intricate, kind of inlaid of brass for this futuristic zirconium spinner. And then we get a couple of Maki spinner. That is the core. It's a gorgeous one. 2019 spins on the inside, has 3 layers of spinning goodness. Also Zirc Blasted going on over here. And look at this one. This is gorgeous. This is the Maki core medal in Zirc and cupronickel on the inside. Of course, this has again 1, 2, and 3 cores independently spinning, and it's a gorgeous one and pretty rare indeed. Next up, we got the Maki Fusion in Zirc, blasted again, very complex milling going on. 1, 2, 3 layers again of independent spinningness. And again, I believe this is a limited edition, and yeah, it's gonna be hard to get one. Another one from Maki, this is another classic. This Captain CPT. This is a pretty cool spinner, of course, but also has some sliding secrets up the sleeve. You can click it away like that and recoils because of the magnets underneath. It's gorgeous. It's unique. It is a multi-fidget toy. It slides, clicks away, and spins away. So I love when makers, they put the extra effort to jam some different features. Like, for example, this fella over here. That is the Black Mirror design. That's the bullet. So you have pretty much this configuration right over here, which allows some levitating property off the top, and of course you get a spinning part. So gorgeous multi-fidget again. Black Mirror design made this hot dog slider right over here. 50 made, again, impossible to get this thing. Sounds amazing. You have Zircu Thai mustard on top of the zirconium winner right over here. Look at this little detail. That's a pretty cool one, and actually it's available on Fablades right now. Like, it's available on Fablades right now. This is the Timb Rx4 Excalibur. Look at this thing. Boom. Gorgeously done. This is the Zirc again. You can't find this one. It's gonna be extremely expensive, guys. This is a fantastic slider with the sheet. It's truly a spectacular one. Check out the review if you want to know more about that. Like this, I mean, come on. Hello, Commander Grenade, version 2, zirconium, impossible to get. Another fantastic spinner and clicker grail right over here on the table. One of my favorite desktop fidget toys. Another beauty from Black Mirror design, you get to see the polished zirconium telephone dial clicker. 50 made again. You just click it away. You have cupro-nickel plate on the inside. You can remove some magnets rotate the magnets on the inside to get this pretty cool effect. Oh, I love it. I love it. But here we are, guys. This is the Go Bigger Pillbug. This is probably my favorite spinner. It's very complex. It's very expensive. It's zirconium blasted. I just added right over here the X-Bone in zirconium from Lautier. That's the button that comes in that spinner, which looks amazing on the Pillbug. So here it is. Look at that. Of course, you get to see custom titanium flamed screws on this Pillbug. You get to see tritium vials installed 24 on this fella, and this guy just is something truly spectacular. Like, it's spectacular, the same thing that is polished Zirc. Same thing, but it's just mounted on the wand. It's a Lautier wand, just to show you that this thing is gorgeous with the Lautier X-Bone cap button or with the Lautier wand. In any case, it's amazing that you can combine these two brands and together and create something unique for your pleasures. So there you have it, guys. This is my zirconium collection as of September 2022. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.